Hello, guys. I'm so thrilled. I just can't help myself. I discovered this app called EasyXplore. It is one amazing app. It enables you to browse the internet conveniently from any window at all on your computer without the need to open your browser. Amazing, right? I know. Let me take you through how it works. I'm already at the website where I downloaded it from. It's easyexplore.com. You go there and you click on download now, and the setup downloads. When it's done downloading, you click on it and install it just like you would do any other software. As easy as that. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out this browser right now. Like I said, this Easy Explore app works independently of any browser. It helps you access the internet without having to open up any browser. As you can see, my Chrome is closed, my Microsoft Edge is closed. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app right here. There it is. So this little black non-bugging bar right here is the app. Very simple. That's just the app right there. As soon as you click on it, you have access to the internet. Just type away, browse away, go ahead and do what you want to do. You could go to a URL. We could as well go to the company's um, website, easyexplore.com. Quick, really quick. Is a quick. I don't know how. It's not a browser per se, but it enables you to browse. And let's try adding more tabs. This little plus sign here is for you to add new tabs. You could add as many as you can, as you will need. I don't think there's any limit to it. Just add, and keep browsing, browse away without even thinking about it. Yes. So let's try searching a word. I found out that the search results on this thing right here is the same, exactly the same as Google Chrome. You see, as I typed friendship, competent search results. That is the theme of this app. Internet at your fingertips, but not just colloquial internet. This is competent internet at your fingertips. You don't have to worry that you're missing out from anything in your browser. I'm a diehard Google Chrome fan, but then with this, I don't think I'm missing that much. I could just access this and browse without having to open my browser. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I mean by the results are exactly the same. Let's test that out. We searched friendship on the app, right? So this is the app right here. This is Google Chrome. Tell me these results are not the same. The exact same thing. Really. And did you notice something when I was searching? The search suggestions are well thought out. They are not just random search suggestions. They are smart, intelligent search suggestions. See, look at them right here. So I could click on what I needed, really, friendship. And let's go ahead and test it out on different app interfaces. Let me take you to, let's say I wanted to open Lenovo. Right here is the Easy Explore app. Just a click away. You just need to look up when using your computer. Right there it is. It doesn't close, it doesn't disappear, it stays right there, except you manually close it. Now I will have to show you how to do that. That's close the app. I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. So here you go. You can click on right here and open any app at all. It could be Word. Let's say you needed to work. You're working, but just guess what is waiting for you? The internet in the form of an amazing app called EasyXplore. Right here, you just click on it and you go and start surfing the internet. You have access to surf whatever it is you need to search for. Word, PowerPoints, works in any program interface at all. It doesn't matter what interface you're on, it works. Right there, even when your browser is open, it still works. How amazing is that? So this is my Chrome browser and it is right here. And I click on it and go right there and go browse there in the app. I know this thing about it, you can right click on a search result and you have these options: open a new tab, open with default browser, open link, copy link. Let's test it out. Open with default browser is basically is opening the search result. Friendship Wikipedia search results is gonna open it in your default browser. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Explorer, or whichever browser is your default browser. Mine is Google Chrome. So when I click on that, it is open up Google Chrome. That search friendship. This is the Google Chrome interface right now. It pushed through Google Chrome and gave me the search results. Did you see it's closed? The Chrome app is closed. But clicking on this right here on the app, right clicking on it, and clicking on that option, open with default browser, it pushes to this little magician of an innovative invention, pushes through my Google Chrome browser, opens it and brings up my search result, Wikipedia friendship. How amazing is that? Isn't that mind blowing? Easy, breezy internet access from wherever you are on your computer screen. And it has an option for signing in. You could sign in if you wanted to. And I said I was going to show you how to close out the app because it doesn't close at all. The only time it closes is when you shut down or restart your computer. Even on hibernation, it doesn't close out. It stays open. When you click on this button right here at the top right corner of the app, you'll see more. Under more, that's where you see quit. Then you click on quit again and you quit it. But I don't want to quit it right now. I just want to keep showing you how flawless this app is. I don't know why I'm just knowing about this now. I use the internet heavily and we live in a fast-paced world, right? We're in innovation as we progress year after year. We don't want stress. I don't want stress personally. I am sure you don't want that. So go get this app and thank me later. You will enjoy every bit of it. It has no bug, no problems at all. And I would highly recommend it to anyone. It's easy, efficient, and perfect, easy, breezy internet access to for anyone at all of any age. You enjoy it. Go get it. Have a great day. Bye.